Today, I'm going to speak about a very hot topic in the town. Recently, it has become. Every engineer or any product owners might need to understand about how we can get compliant on security side of our IoT products. So here I am going to talk about one of our recent experience, what we are building for and what currently we are under the compliance towards. So whatever we will learn over here is about the CCTV camera as an example we have taken, but it will apply to all our other IoT devices. Every connected device now is a potential attack surface. If that is connected somewhere, yes, you are providing an open channel where attackers can attack your devices. We as in India are globally rapidly increasing our strength in terms of CCTV deployment. The number of cameras, if we see, are deploying towards a sensitive areas are becoming very high in the numbers. It was actually a needed thing. If we see other countries like Europe, US, Japan, Singapore, already they do have some compliances which protects the security infrastructure from the CCTV and IoT part. They actually check every aspect of your hardware, firmware, and rest of the details from the side of the security, and then only they will allow your cameras to be deployed. Government has imposed a rule where foreign imported devices on the CCTV side is not going to be applicable to the Indian public areas. So STQC is not just helping us get audit, but they are currently helping us to build some products which is currently going to help our nation going to be in future. Some of the chipset will not provide you some of the SDKs you ask for, then it will not comply in this particular STQC. So that's where you can avoid the very first mistake while choosing the SoC itself. Silicon Signals, we are currently building our own as well as our customers' CCTV cameras, and we are currently under process of STQC. The hardware and firmware part of the compliance have been already done, and we are currently in the manufacturing side of the compliance we are going through. So these are our own experience, and what we learned from our experiences is these are the 6 particular things we have our company itself we are following.
What is the timeline to get certification and approximate cost?
We got that. See, we are not just doing CCTV surveillance. It's just a 5 or 10% of job we are going to do. It is a question to you rather that how ready you are.